Hi guys, welcome. I'm going to get straight into this. I said I'd be cleaning these trainers, and if you look at them, they are in a bit of a state. The story behind this is a lady, when I go on my dog walks, I'm just on a dog walk. She's got a little rescue dog called Elsa, so hello to you both. And she said to me, I've got a pair of shoes of my son's he's throwing out. He says, do you want them? So I was like, yeah. I said, I'll give you some money for them. She went, no, they're in a bit of a state, but you can have them. So I was like, okay, I'll put them in a YouTube video and clean them up. So that's how I got hold of these shoes, and that's it basically. And I'd not done anything with them, they'd just been sat there. And then I got chatting to the people at Cherry Blossom, a lady called Antonia, and they said, do you want us to send you some stuff? So I said, yeah, and they have done. And that's it basically. They've sent me a lot of stuff, so thank you Cherry Blossom for that. I'm just gonna use a few of their stuff today because I can't use them all, obviously, because there's some stuff like for black leather and stuff like that. This is no leather. I'm gonna start off with this Suede and Nubuck brush, which is basically just, you get the surface dirt off. These are quite hard, these bristles, so that's quite good. If you have a look at that. Look at that. You've got the rubber side, these are really stiff, so if you've got any tough stains, you can get them out. So we're going to be using that. Someone asked me what size it was because they look massive, and we're going to make these look like new. Believe me. There is one thing I'm looking forward to, and that is this. We've got a midsole kit. I haven't opened it to have a look at it. And there's like a brush in there, really good brush, midsole cleaner, and a cloth. Please watch till the end because you're going to be amazed by this. Look at those midsoles on those, yeah? They're going to come up sparkling, trust me. And what I forgot to do is take the laces out. So give me a second.
12 seconds later.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to get this brush, get all the surface dirt off the suede, as much of the dirt out as possible. Try that other side. Okay, we've got as much as we can off of the surface dirt with the brushes. Right, now we're going to get down to it. We're going to give this a bit of the old foamy foam. Get a whack a load on there. I'm going to put a bit of water on it as well. We're going to get into everything, on the tongue, behind the tongue, in the sole, everywhere. It's time for the midsole reviver kit. Right, so you get this. What you get this brush in it. In the middle, it's kind of copper or brass. I think copper bristles. Around the edge, it's got thick nylon ones, which is cool. So we're going to crack on, and we're going to get these midsoles cleaning. Bearing in mind these are heavily stained trainers and they've been like this for a long time, so this is doing a mighty fine job on these, I might add. And just before anyone says anything, I'm not going to do any tricks. I'm not going to go away and put some of that stuff on it that makes them proper white. This is all Cherry Blossom shoe care products. That's it. I wouldn't want to lie to you like that. I know that a lot of people do it online. I won't do it. that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. The shoe doc.
I'm coming to take over.
If you are interested in any of the Cherry Blossom products, there's a link in the description where you can go check their website out. Thank you again, Cherry Blossom, for sending me those to review, and I've got to say, I'm very happy with them. Very, very pleased indeed. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you wish to do so. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. This is the RetroGen signing out. Oh, you know I'm just playing shoe doc. You know I love you.